Right, the first Spirit Box prototype is now finished, so we'll be looking for somebody to test it out in the field for us before we add it to our shop and start selling volumes. As always at Infrared, we like to offer this opportunity to people out in the field that can prove these devices and test the duration and how well they perform. So, just sweet box. We've moved many of the features just for test purposes, and we've tested out the actual features, so I know they'll work. As I suggested, it's just how long the batteries last, how well the box actually performs out on the circuit itself. So it takes 5 AA batteries, a little on switch at the back, and put a makeshift antenna in. So the box auto scans, volume set and reverb set. Interest rates.